In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close the books in QuickBooks online. This process is critical for keeping your financial records secure and ensuring that your accounting data remains accurate. It's especially useful at the end of an accounting period when you need to lock your financials and prevent any unauthorized changes to closed periods. Let's dive into the steps. First, you'll want to get into QuickBooks Online. Once you're in, navigate to the Settings area. Typically, you'll find this option by clicking on the gear icon located at the top of your page. Think of Settings in QuickBooks as the central hub where you can manage all your account-related options and preferences. This is an essential area for configuring everything according to your business needs. After accessing the settings, the next step is to click on Account and Settings. This section is pivotal as it allows you to view and edit your company's information. Here, you can update essential details like your business name, contact information, and other vital details related to your account settings. It's important to keep this information up to date so that everything reflects your company's current status. Next, within Account and Settings, proceed to click on the Advanced tab. The advanced settings are where you'll gain access to various options that affect the core operations of your QuickBooks, including how you handle transactions and other nuanced financial details. It's a powerful area that lets you customize the system to better fit your business processes. Once you're in the Advanced tab, look for the Accounting section and click on it. This is the space where you can configure accounting-specific settings like your fiscal year, tax form preferences, and importantly, the option to close your books. This is the main area we'll be focusing on today to secure your financial data. Now it's time to turn on the Close the Books feature. Enabling this feature ensures that once an accounting period is closed, no alterations can be made to past transactions without an appropriate authorization code. This is crucial for safeguarding your historical data and prevents any accidental or unauthorized modifications. It's a small step that carries a lot of weight in maintaining your data's integrity. After you've turned on the Close the Books option, you'll need to set a closing date. This date signifies the end of an accounting period. Carefully choose this date based on your company's fiscal period and when you want to stop allowing changes. It's vital to align this with your end-of-year or period-end procedures. Finally, once you've set the closing date, simply click on Save and then Done. This confirms all your settings and locks your books for that period. You'll receive a confirmation message ensuring everything is set, thus securing your financial data effectively. And there you have it. You've successfully closed your books in QuickBooks Online. This straightforward process helps maintain the integrity of your financial reports, giving you peace of mind while handling your business's accounting. Thanks for watching, and remember to check back for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials.